freshly bleached roots. If you guys haven't seen the video yet, go check it out. It's bleaching my roots with dreadlocks. So I have my hair dye here, and today I'm going to be putting the dye on damp hair, focusing on the roots and working in sections. So the hair dyes I'm going to be using is Girls Night by Arctic Fox, mixed with some Periwinkle, and I'm going to use the Arctic Mist Diluter to create a pastel shade. So first I'm going to put in the Periwinkle. Now I'm going to put in some Girls Night. Now I'm going to add the Arctic Mist Diluter to pastelise the colour. Give it a good mix. Applying the hair dye to the bleached roots on the dreadlocks, just separate each of the dreadlocks, making sure you're getting right in between each of the sections. Now we've covered the bleached roots with the hair dye, I'm just going to take the leftover dye and put it on the rest of my hair, just so the colours blend nicely. So I've only put the hair dye on the roots of the dreadlocks to tone that bleached hair. So I didn't want to cover the dreadlock with the hair dye because the hair dye is conditioner based, so it could cause the dreadlock to detangle itself. I know that this Periwinkle hair dye fades to this colour of a blonde, so when this washes out it will eventually be the same colour as the dreads. So I've got the hair dye on my head. I'm going to leave this on for 45 minutes and rinse with cold water to help prevent the colour from fading. So I'm going to wash this out and then I'll come back to you. There we go guys, that is how I dye my hair with my dreadlocks. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, go subscribe and leave a comment, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye guys.